Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you an awesome trick. It uses just a deck of cards. You can see they're all different front and back. This trick can be performed for groups of people. It's easy. You can do it 52 different ways if you have 52 different envelopes with 52 different predictions. But anyways, how you're going to accomplish this is you are going to just have the spectator shuffle up the deck. They hand it back to you. You just start dealing the cards, and even they could start dealing them one by one face down. Whoops. Doesn't matter how messy they are. Whoops. So they stop anywhere. Let's say they stopped there. Now you say, I have a prediction right here. And you can tell that it's my prediction because right there is the question mark. So we're going to take the card you stopped at and put it right there, okay? And put the prediction in full sight. So now that we have these two isolated, first I'm going to show you the prediction, so that way you know I'm not switching anything out. You can see that if I unfold the prediction, the card is the King of Spades. And if we look at the card, it matches the card you stopped at. Alright guys, here's how you guys do that. This is a really awesome trick. All you're going to need is a deck of cards, and an envelope. Now you're going to draw a question mark on the back, and you are going to need a piece of paper, and you write any card on that, okay? Then you stick this in the envelope. To make this a little cleaner, I tuck that inside. I don't seal it, but because I still like to reuse it. But basically, I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. But it all involves the card being underneath the envelope, right there, the force card, the card that is written on your prediction. Now, if the card, if the force card is under the envelope, you're ready to go. So let's say you have them deal. You can hold the envelope like this. But if they're not dealing it, you feel like dealing it yourself, you just put it off the table, sticking off a little bit, maybe have like a little corner sticking, and make sure that the card is positioned to where you can easily grip the card underneath, because you don't want to pick this up and leave that card behind. That would be bad. So that's right there. You say, we have a prediction right here. That's not going to move for the entirety of this trick. And then basically we'll say you're dealing whatever. It doesn't matter. So say they dealt, you're obviously going to have the prediction in your hand, but say you dealt, the prediction would be on the table, because you don't have three hands. But anyways, well, let's say they dealt. You pick the prediction up, put it on top, and you say, you can see that it's my prediction, and then you pick it up, leaving behind this force card. But you pick this up, leave it behind, and you say, this is my prediction. You can tell because there is a question mark on it. And you say, usually what I like to do just for shows, I say, I'm going to isolate your selected card and the prediction. So that way you know I'm not switching anything out. Everything is going to be completely fair. I put that on top, put these away, boom. The card and the prediction are isolated. And you take the prediction out, show King of Spades, and you show their card, the King of Spades. Perfect match. And I said I was going to show you 2 ways of doing this. So basically, the second way is you have this in your hand, and they deal the cards. Let's say they stop dealing like right there. I'm trying to make it look like messy, like spectator would do it. All you gotta do is do the same thing. Put it down. Now you don't want to toss it down like I just did, because you might have noticed a card flew out, and even though it was just the corner, people might still notice that. So you want to take the card and be extra careful. Just put it down like that. Nobody's really going to say anything. But yeah, the force card's under there. You're holding it. They dealt the cards. You say, okay. Now, you can tell that it's and that's how clean it is. That's how fair it is. It's the King of Spades, and so is your prediction. And it's an awesome trick. I really advise you guys to take the time and make this little prediction envelope. And it's going to be a must-have in maybe your party shows, your restaurant gigs, repertoire. Because I guarantee you, if you do it once, you will see the spectator's reaction and do it many more times. So, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because when I get 250 subscribers, I'm going to do a huge magic giveaway that would usually be worth $150. But I'm giving it away for free. But that's coming when I get 250 subscribers. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.